Ever since WhatsApp introduced the Delete for Everyone feature, it has been widely used by users on both Android and iOS platforms. When someone wipes a message in WhatsApp, everyone in the chat can see this message was deleted. It's impossible not be a bit curious about what the content of that message was. In this video I will show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages on your smartphone by installing a third-party application called What's Removed. Users can access deleted WhatsApp messages. The What's Removed application can be found in the Google Play Store and can be downloaded for free. What's Removed is brilliant, simple and even bold. The application reads your notifications, copies incoming WhatsApp messages, and notifies you when someone deletes a WhatsApp message. The copy of the deleted message is then kept in What's Removed together with the other copies until you delete the app's data. WhatsApp Delete for Everyone feature lets you delete messages across both the sender and receiver. However, this simple trick will let you read deleted WhatsApp messages. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.